Everyone. Thanks for listening to me. I'm Pierre Delacroix. I'm the product owner of the website builder at Odoo. And now I will show you one of the industry we added, which is non-profit organization. In case you have missed Fabien's keynote and all the presentation about the industry just before me, don't worry, I will explain to you in a few minutes what an industry is. So to give you some context, imagine that you are working for an alumni association for a university, and you are responsible to choose a tool that will be used to create your website, create your events, publish them on the website, maybe sell membership to people who are alumni, track the subscription of those memberships, and then send newsletter to the members, and maybe get cheaper ticket price for paying members. So you get me, you know where I'm going. Of course, you heard of Odoo, and you would like to try it out. One problem you might get if you never tried Odoo before is that you could struggle a little bit, even though as a product owner we really try to make the onboarding as easy as possible, to understand how you can implement all your business flows. For example, if you want cheaper tickets for members, how will you do that? It's quite hard. You might not know that you have to use price list, and then you have to update the price list on the customer, etc. So what you could do as that person is to contact an Odoo salesperson and describe them your business case, and they will probably tell you, let's meet in a week. I will have a database prepared, and I will do a demonstration for you. And that sales will probably spend 30 minutes, 1 hour if 30 minutes is really good, building the database with all the correct configuration to have something nice that he can present to that person. With this industry, the non-profit organization, actually, the database will be ready in less than 3 minutes. Let me show you how it works. So here, I have a database, a free trial, where I've selected CRM. It doesn't really matter. And if I go to the App Store, I have this now new section, which is industries, and I have a choice between a bunch of industries. We will add a lot of them this year. Here, for this demo, I will use nonprofit. And here I will have a message that will tell me all the modules that this industry will add. Also by ticking import demo data, I will get the website overwritten. So let me do that. First, I have to agree. Of course, I was on a free trial plan because I selected only one app, and now I will move to a paying plan, which is fine. So while it's loading, it takes approximately 2 minutes. I will remind you or explain to you what an industry is. So industry, it's what we call a data module. So it's basically something that you install. It will install a bunch of apps, right? So in this case, websites, CRM, event, etc. So that even if you are not aware what are the apps, what they do, what they exist, if you know what industry you're on, it's fine. It will be installed for you. Then it also includes data and configuration. For example, in this case, the data will be a ticket to become a member that will cost 100 euros. The configuration will be, for example, here I have enabled price lists and a lot of different stuff. You could have also studio customization. You can add new object or new field on existing project. You can create new views and stuff like that. Of course, you have automated action as well, which is very powerful and not so easy to use when you are new to Odoo. And then CSS, views, JavaScript, and then website pages. It's basically everything except Python code. So it actually covers a lot. And data module, it can be installed on every kind of database. If you are on-premise, if you use Odoo SH, or if you are SaaS users. And it can be installed from odoo.com, right? So the idea is that if you want a non-profit organization, Odoo, you go on odoo.com, you find your industry, you start from there. You don't even have to care about which apps to install, and you start a trial just like that. But like I just showed you before, if you already start a trial, it's fine. You can also go in the App Store and then select an industry. It works in both ways. So let me show you here. Here I have a trial where the industry was installed. So first thing first, I have to go to the knowledge application because every industry comes with a knowledge page that will describe all the flows that are covered by this industry. Of course, you can always do more. It's Odoo, but here are the flows that were that were included and configured for this industry. So here, in this case, we will do first. There will be a website where visitors can request to become members by filling a form. Then it will create an opportunity, and the Odoo admin will see will be notified that there is a new opportunity. He will be then able to discuss with the potential member and create a quotation for a membership subscription. And then the potential members will be able to see his quotation online, of course, and sign it, and automatically the subscription will start. He will be assigned to a price list of paying members, which means he will get discounted price on event, and that's it. The second flow will be, of course, about events. So from scratch, there is an event configure for you, so you don't, and you will see the event, you will see the price, and you can, and the fact that it's cheaper when you are a paying member. Another feature that's also showcased with this industry is donation. So you will see that on the website there is a page to make donations, and then you will see how the admin in the accounting app can actually see all the donations that have been made. And then the final app that is showcased in this industry is the email marketing, where there is a filter that is created so you can send a newsletter, for example, to all your paying members. So maybe let me show you the website, how it looks like. You have the homepage that is actually very standard for Odoo. As my other colleagues have said, of course, the website is fully standard. Actually, in the industry, everything is fully standard. It's all stuff that you can do from as a user or do without doing any code. And so you can, of course, drop building blocks, customize anything, etc. Very easy to do. Then, with this industry, you get, like I said earlier, a donation page, right, where your visitors will be able to make donation, an event, and about us. So let me show you what happens when you have a visitor coming to your website, right? So here I've just opened the website in a new session so that I'm logged out. I will actually sign in and create an account. The email will be, doesn't matter really, let's say this one. And I will sign up. So here I've decided to sign up before actually requesting the membership, which is something that works. But also you can do it afterwards, right? Because when you receive the email for the subscription, etc., you will see that you can create an account there. It works fine as well. So here I will say, okay, I'm Pierre and I'm interested to become a member. Hello, I was there. I'm an alumni from 2013 for me, and etc. And you can request to become member of the alumni association. Once someone does that, the admin will be notified that there is a new CRM opportunity. So the contact us form was actually a bit arranged so that it creates opportunity. And also, the admin was by default made follower of the relevant sales team so that he's notified whenever there is a new opportunity that is created. So here, it's the classic CRM of Odoo. You can decide to actually discuss with colleagues or with the member to ask him, maybe, I don't know what you could ask. And then you can change the stages. And at some point, you can decide, okay, I'll actually send that person a quotation. So when you do that, here you have to select recurring plan, and then you have to select the product, which is membership. And that is the big advantage of the industry, is that the product is already created, the contact us form was configured, and these kind of things. The fact that you have to still click the here or select the recurrency, all of that is also written in the knowledge. So it means that if you don't know Odoo, you have to read something that is probably 1 or 2 pages long, and it will help you to go through the business flow. And I will send it by email. You will see when it's loaded that also something that we can do with industry is to add, for example, email templates. I've decided here not to overwrite the default email templates, but create a new one. And you will see here, for example, I add a paragraph which is once paid, your membership will be automatically enabled. And don't forget to create an account on the website because you need to log in to have the discounted price. So this is typically something you would want to send. And this is sent. So now, again, I'm the member who filled the membership request form. If I go to my account, I will see here that I have 1 quotation to review. So this is actually the new layout from Odoo 17. I'm really excited about it as the website product owner. I think this is very good looking, much better than what it was before. And I will see my quotation. And I will actually pay it online. So here, the fact that there is the demo payment provider is something I've did myself. It's not part of the industry. It's written in the industry documentation that you should still enable a payment provider because, of course, you want payment to arrive on your own bank account. But here, for this demonstration, I've just enabled demo. Very straightforward. Let's wait that the payment is confirmed. And as soon as the payment is confirmed, the subscription will start. And I will be assigned to the paying membership. So something I forgot to show you is that in the event now, the price of the tickets will be 10 euros, while if I log out, the same event will cost 30 euros. And also here, you can see that there is an information that says that appears only when you're not logged in, and that says that you have a discounted price if you subscribe for a year membership. And if you already subscribed, you should remember to sign in. So here, if I refresh, I will see that actually this quotation, this opportunity now doesn't have a quotation but an order, and like that. One thing that's also very important is that in this industry, there are 2 price lists. There are the default price list, which is actually part of every industry, and there is the paying member one, which just changed the price of events to 10. So what happened is that when the members, pay the quotation, there was a rule that automatically changed this price list to paying member. So this might sound very straightforward, but actually having automation rule in Odoo is not something that a lot of people are comfortable with, right? Let me enable the debug mode. First, you have to be in developer mode. And then you can see automation rules. It's this one, technical. You will see here that this industry comes with 2 technical rules, which is something you can create on any Odoo database. But still, I'm pretty sure that not many Odoo users are aware of that it exists. And the idea is that this rule will say that whenever there is a change on sales order that is recurring, and one of the products contains the word membership, then we do a code to actually change the partner ID to the partner ID price list, so the linked partner price list. And then there's another automation rule that will, whenever the price list is the subscription becomes post, churned, or quotation, then we actually remove the price list and we put back the default price list to that member. So now I've showed you how the user can actually request to become a member, have the opportunity created, pay the quotation that was created, become a paying member, and get cheaper access to events. So the next flow I'm going to show you, which is very, very simple, is donation. So maybe I will go back to my here to my other session, and I will say I want to donate 50 euro. I will put some name, whatever, it doesn't matter, country, and I will pay. And then thank you, the payment has been done. There is an email sent. And then another very advantage of the industries is that now if I go to customer payments in accounting here, actually I can see that there are two payments. There was one for my membership and one for the donation. But I've added here a filter, which is donation, that will only show you the donations. So all this kind of small, it's a detail, right? But those small details can make a difference to facilitate the onboarding of people. And then the last business flow that I wanted to showcase you with this industry is email marketing. So let's say that as an alumni association, now I want to send an email to all my members to tell them that, I don't know, we organize an event in 2 months. You will see that as a recipient here, if I choose sales order, there is a filter that's already created, paying members, which basically will go through all the subscriptions that are in progress and where the product contains members. And there I can actually, and you see there is one record, which is of course the member I just created. And then I can send it. So just like that, I was very quickly able to demonstrate to you how you can have members, maintain them, have subscription to maintain them, right? So now I will see my subscription. I will see all my membership subscription here with their status. Of course, the subscription are, you can choose if they should be automatically renewed and all this kind of stuff. I've showcased how the price list works. I've showcased how the automation rule works, how you can have filters for donation, how actually we even have a building block that's donation. All those kind of stuff that I expect many users not to be aware of. So for me, industry will really be a game changer. I see 3 main advantages. First, if you are someone interested in using Odoo, instead of starting from scratch when you do a free trial, if you're lucky, let's say, you will have an industry that should match your business and that will showcase you some of the business flows and how it's supported in Odoo. Secondly, if you're a salesperson who wants to actually sell Odoo to someone, when you build a database to do a demo, you will not have to start from scratch. You will be able to have very relevant data to the business of the person who is interested into Odoo. And then last but really not least is the fact that with these industries, we can showcase some of the best practices and some of the hidden features with Odoo. For example, here I've showed you how an automation rule can update the price list on a partner. I think it's something that you really require a lot of expertise level to be aware of, but thanks to the industry, it's not the case anymore. So I'm really sure that industries will be a game changer for Odoo because it will allow more and more people to be comfortable with it. So thanks a lot for listening to me. And if you have any question, please scan the QR code and we'll read the pad in just a minute.
Thanks a lot for your presentation. We learned a lot.
Thank you. Hello.
So for the moment, we don't have any questions. If you have some questions, do not hesitate to do it now. Otherwise, we finish the talk.
It's a good sign. It means that the industry is very clear.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it was very clear. Thank you, Lou. Thank you. Thank you a lot for your presentation.
Thank you.
See you.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.